Good morning, everybody. I'm Stacy Drew with Rockwell Real Estate, and today we're going to tour 2749 Aldersgate. And I'm starting with my phone. Let's see. Here we are. It's a 5-bedroom, 2 full bath. It's got a low maintenance front yard. Nice RV parking on the side with a double gate. This home is turnkey. Everything's been updated. It's gorgeous inside. We have a friend, a kitty, a friendly neighborhood kitty. Nope. This home has been completely updated. It has the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Beautiful 17-foot vaulted ceilings. Nice big space. Has a burl wood mantel. They've whitewashed the walls. Nice modern railing. The kitchen is big and open. They've got beautiful granite counters. A nice big large sink. Hey, Damien. The master's on the main floor. We've got lots of storage. Here's one of the full baths. Nice granite counters in here. Kohler sinks. And nice nickeled faucets. And here is the master. 2 closets. And I like how they have the vinyl throughout all downstairs, and they have it going up the stairs, which is really nice. So we have a nice 2-car garage with a workbench. And then there's also this little extra space over here for your garbage cans, which is nice. So you can fit your vehicles in here. Lots of storage. Let's go check out upstairs. Jennifer, how are you? I miss you. So the stairs have the vinyl plank as well. New carpet throughout upstairs and a nice balcony. Here's one of the bedrooms. They're all nice size. Fritzy, hello. And then here is the full bath upstairs. Nice granite counters and kohler sink as well. And they did the larger tile on the floor. And here is a nice big, well, you could use it as a bonus room. It also has a closet, so it could be a bedroom, but it's a nice big space. It's nice and bright up here. And then here's the last bedroom. So let's go check out the backyard. This home is 2,163 square feet. The neighborhood is a nice, quiet E Medford neighborhood. Hey, Tiffany. So we've got a huge side yard here. Raised planter beds. And then a nice graveled area, so really low maintenance. Big backyard. We've got a shed. And you don't have a ton of neighbors looking in. Hey, Danae. Well, that's my tour. Thank you for joining me. And if you have any questions, just hit me up on Facebook. Have a great Sunday.